Usborne first illustrated science dictionary, and it has, as it already says, it is illustrated science dictionary and it's by an expert. Everything is explained in the form of pictures. So if you are talking about scales, they'll give you actual picture of scales. If you are talking about shell, they will give you actual picture of shells. This is a lovely book for children who keep on asking questions, and you want to show them, and you don't want to show them Google pages or anything on the computer, so that you don't divert on screen. And it's like there is, these are fun, this is poetry, and that way containing all lots of pictures. Then there is a little bit about senses. You can see there is a huge content creation over here. And what is science to living things, materials, light, sound, electricity, also our universe explores, and scientific investigation. So how do you measure materials and things? All we can do is, even if you are not searching for something, you can go 1 to 2 pages at a time daily, so that it keeps on updating. And it's really fun and easy way of learning about barks, trees, plants, living life cycle. Can you see they have beautiful, like as humans have baby, child, the same way they have, the animals are having, some are through larvae, some of them are through caterpillar. So also if you want to talk about doctors, and what are the medicines, and what drugs to use, and how should you sleep, you should sleep enough. So her way of developing healthy habit through really fun way, like when you are talking about gases, solid, liquid, and gas, they will let you know what is it all, what is changing material. So I think if your child is big enough to not tear off the pages, this is really fun way to read 1 to 2 pages together or on your own, so that they learn things really in a fun way. You can see there are musical instruments, there is a lot of information in really small and compact book. Like even if you see this space thing, the whole day and night kind of thing. And there are certain other what are the equipments, and what is height, length, measurements, what is it used for, and lots of information in just uh, few pages. And then there is also a word finder over here in the back. So really lovely book, good to read. It's basically for I think above at least 4 years of age, because that is the age when they don't tear off the pages. And it's like explaining them, and it can be used for a longer term. It's like small compact book,